The CC-Link Partner Association has built an ecosystem of over 4,400 partners worldwide, with 415 manufacturers producing more than 3,300 certified products. Our global installed base exceeds 43 million devices, making us one of the most widely adopted open network technologies in industrial automation. What sets us apart is being the only organization providing technology that provides gigabit bandwidth with time-sensitive networking, or TSN, a critical combination for manufacturers facing the challenges of digital transformation. I'm John Browett, the General Manager for the CC-Link Partner Association in Europe, where we focus on expanding CC-Link product development and raising awareness of our technology. CC-Link IE TSN is the only open industrial Ethernet technology combining gigabit bandwidth with TSN to deliver deterministic communication. This ensures data arrives precisely when needed every time. This creates the foundation for truly converged networks where different types of data can reliably share the same infrastructure. This capability uniquely positions us to address manufacturing digitalization challenges, where moving large volumes of data reliably between operational technology and IT systems is becoming essential. Our 4,400 global partners span Asia, Europe, and the Americas, representing the entire industrial automation value chain, from device manufacturers to end users. This growth has led independent market research to place us firmly among the leading industrial Ethernet technologies worldwide, reflecting the increasing recognition that TSN represents the future of industrial networking. Our ecosystem includes over 3,375 certified products covering virtually every aspect of industrial automation, from simple I/O blocks to sophisticated controllers, HMIs, and advanced motion control systems. This comprehensive coverage enables system integrators and end users to build complete automation architectures using CC-Link IE TSN technology. For example, Mitsubishi Electric alone offers over 100 different CC-Link IE TSN products, demonstrating the technology's versatility and scalability.
Yeah, my name is Andreas Hoffmann. I'm the Vice President in the Business Unit Automation for Weidmuller. I'm now 25 years in the business of automation.
My name is Yang, and I'm in charge of overseas sales at Fastech in Korea. I'm currently based in Nagoya as a branch manager of Fastech Japan. My role includes supporting compatibility testing of Fastech products at Mitsubishi Electric's Nagoya Works.
Yeah, the main benefits are definitely that I get the latest news about the technologies, about the market, and for sure a relation between the members of the CLPA. Especially also the marketing is very important for us to be worldwide viewed for this technology, because for sure we are a worldwide partner, but not everybody knows us for CC-Link, and that helps us a lot to be member of the CLPA, to join this club, I would say. Yeah.
Through CLPA, we have been able to obtain Class B certification, participate in user seminars, and globally promote our TSN-compatible product and CLPA-hosted exhibition.
Yeah, that's very important for us, especially in the Asian market, where CC-Link is the most common standard. That helps us to come into those markets like Korea, Japan, or China. That's really an important topic, especially also for the future, where we think, especially with the TSN standard, it becomes more market share, and for sure we will join as a company to this CC-Link TSN IE technology.
Using TSN allows us to reduce cycle times and improve synchronization accuracy, which enable more precise motion control and higher accuracy for linear and circular interpolation, providing solutions that stand out compared to other networks. Globally, the importance of network is increasing due to the expand of horizontal connectivity in smart factories. We have developed TSN drive unit solution in official collaboration with various motor manufacturers, including direct drive motors, voice coil motors, and BLDC motors. For example, we worked with Maxon Korea to develop TSN compatible motor drive solution. In addition, we collaboration with various actuator manufacturers, both rotary and linear. For instance, in cooperation with Kuroda Korea, we developed TSN-compatible solutions combining Kuroda actuators with our TSN drive unit. Through this effort, we are expanding TSN solutions to FA components that were previously not connected to TSN. To further promote TSN-compatible product, we hope to receive support from CLPA in engaging with more FA component manufacturers around the world.
TSN represents the future of Open Industrial Ethernet, and currently only the CLPA has the solution proven in over 100 manufacturing corporations worldwide. As digitalization transforms manufacturing, the need for deterministic, high-bandwidth networking will only increase. If you're interested in learning how CC-Link IE TSN can benefit your company, whether as a technology user or a potential partner, I encourage you to get in touch. The future of industrial networking is here today, and the CLPA partner ecosystem is ready to deliver complete solutions for your most challenging automation requirements.